Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of manually updating all your Windows applications one by one, then stick around. Today, I'll show you an easy way to upgrade all your apps at once using just one command with Winget, the Windows Package Manager. It's a powerful built-in tool that makes managing applications effortless. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, this guide will ensure you always have the latest software versions without the hassle. Before we dive in, let's talk about Winget. Winget, or the Windows Package Manager, is a command line tool developed by Microsoft. It allows you to install, upgrade, configure, and remove applications on your PC quickly and efficiently. Instead of manually checking for updates on different websites, Winget does all the work for you with a simple command. Think of it like a built-in app store for your Windows PC, but way faster and more powerful. It works similarly to package managers in Linux, such as apt or yum, which makes it an excellent tool for automating application management. With just one command, you can check for outdated apps and upgrade them all automatically. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. Before using Winget to upgrade applications, we first need to check if it's already installed on your Windows PC. Windows Package Manager, Winget, comes pre-installed on Windows 10, version 1809 and later, and Windows 11. But if you're using an older version or a customized Windows installation, you might need to install it manually. Let's go step by step to check whether Winget is available on your system. The easiest way to check if Winget is installed is by using the command prompt, CMD, or PowerShell. Here's how you can do it. Press the Windows key and type command prompt or CMD. Right-click on it from the search results and run it as an administrator. Now run the following command. Winget space version and press enter. If you see a version number like this, it means Winget is installed and ready to use. If you see an error message like Winget is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file, this means Winget is not installed on your system. If you see the error, don't worry. I'll show you how to install it manually. Before installing Winget, we need to make sure your Windows version supports it. Winget is available for Windows 10, version 1809 and later, and Windows 11. To check your Windows version, press Windows +R, type WinVer, and press enter. A window will appear showing your Windows version. If you have Windows 10 version 1809 or later, or Windows 11, you can install Winget. If you have an older version, you need to update Windows before proceeding. If your Windows version is outdated, you may need to update it by going to Settings. Update and Security. Windows Update. And check for updates. The easiest and recommended way to install Winget is through the Microsoft Store. Here's how to do it. To open the Microsoft Store, press Windows +S. Type Microsoft Store and press enter. Once the Microsoft Store is open, we can now search for Winget. Click on the search bar. Type App Installer. Press enter. Winget comes bundled with the App Installer package, so we need to install or update it to get Winget. If you see the Install button, click Install and wait for the process to complete. If you see the Update button, click Update to ensure you have the latest version. Once the installation is complete, Winget will be automatically included. If the Microsoft Store method doesn't work, don't worry. We can manually download and install Winget from GitHub. I've added the link in the video description below. Simply click on it or copy and paste it into your browser. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the Release section on the right-hand side, where we'll find the latest installation file. Click on it. Scroll down, and under the Assets section, look for the following file. This is the App Installer package, and it includes Winget. Click on it. We'll now install it manually. After downloading the file, locate the downloaded.msix bundle file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it. A window will pop up showing the installation details. At this point, you might see a message saying, "App Installer is already installed," instead of an Install or Update button. In this case, no installation is needed. Simply click Close and proceed to using Winget. If Winget is not installed on your PC, simply click Install and the setup will begin. If an Update button appears, click Update to get the latest version. If you get an error message, restart your computer and try running the installer again. Once you've successfully installed or updated Winget, let's move on to verifying the installation. Now run the following command: winget -- version. If you see a response, then congratulations, it's now installed. Alright, Winget is set up. Let's see how we can use it to manage applications. Now that we have Winget set up, let's see what apps are installed on your system. This is useful for seeing which apps can be updated, uninstalled, or managed using Winget. Let's go step by step. Winget has a built-in command that displays a list of all installed applications. Let's run it now. Type the following command: winget -- and press enter. After running this command, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your system. Let's break this down so you understand what each column means. Name, the display name of the installed application. ID, the unique identifier of the app used by Winget. Version, the currently installed version on your PC. Available, if an update is available, it will show the latest version here. Source, indicates where the application is being installed or updated from, for example, Winget or MS Store. If an app has Winget as its source, you can easily update it using the Winget upgrade command. However, if the source is MS Store, the app is being managed through the Microsoft Store, which requires store-based updates. This list helps us see which applications are installed and which ones have available updates. If you see a newer version in the available column, that means the application can be updated using Winget. Before updating, it's a good idea to check which applications have updates available. Winget provides a simple command to check for application updates. Let's run it now. Type the following command: winget -- and press enter. Once you run this command, Winget will scan your installed applications and compare them with the latest available versions. It will then display a list of apps that have updates available. Now that we've checked which applications have updates available, let's say you only want to update a specific application instead of updating everything at once. Look for the name of the application you want to update in the Name column. Here, we can see that Dropbox has an available update from version 216.4.4420 to 217.3.4374. Let's update Dropbox. Run the following command: winget -- -- ID followed by the ID here. Simply select it, right-click to copy, and paste it. Using the ID ensures that Winget updates the correct application, even if there are multiple programs with similar names. Press enter. This will automatically check for updates and install the latest version of Dropbox. This will only upgrade Dropbox to its latest version and leave the other apps untouched. Once the update is complete, you'll see a message confirming the successful installation. But what if you want to upgrade all your applications at once with a single command? This is one of the most powerful features of Winget, as it saves time and effort by updating everything in one go. That's where the magic happens. Winget has a simple command that tells Windows to check for updates and upgrade all applications that have a newer version available. That command is winget -- upgrade -- all and press enter. Once you run the command, Winget will start listing all applications that have available updates and begin upgrading them one by one. You don't have to click anything. It's all done in the background. You can see that Winget goes through each application, downloads the latest version, and installs it automatically. This way, you don't have to update apps manually one by one. Sometimes, an app might not update properly due to restrictions. In that case, you can force an update by running Winget space upgrade space all space force. The force option tells Winget to reinstall the latest version, even if it thinks the app is already updated. And that's it. You've now upgraded all your applications at once using a single command. This is the fastest and most efficient way to keep all your software up to date with minimal effort. So far, we've learned how to check for updates and upgrade installed applications. But what if you need to install a brand new application using Winget? The good news is that Winget makes installing software incredibly simple with just one command. The Winget search command allows you to find applications that you can install using Winget. Sometimes, you may not know the exact name of the application you need but have a general idea of its type, such as browser, editor, media player, antivirus, or compression tool. Winget Search allows you to find apps based on these general terms. For example, searching for web browsers? Run the following command: Winget space search space browser and press enter. This command lists all available web browsers, including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and more. You can install one by using its ID. If you're looking for a media player, run the following command: Winget space search space player and press enter. This command will list VLC, MPV, Pop Player, and others. You can then install your preferred choice. If you need security software, run the following command: Winget space search space antivirus and press enter. This command helps you find Avast, AVG, Malwarebytes, and more. Need a tool to extract or compress files? Run the following command: Winget space search space zip and press enter. This search lists 7-zip, WinRAR, and pzip, and more. The Winget search command is a powerful way to discover new apps, even if you don't know their exact names. Now that we've learned how to search for applications by type, let's see how to find a specific application using Winget Search when you already know its name or a part of it. For example, if you're looking for VLC Media Player, type this command: Winget space search space VLC and hit enter. This will display a list of applications matching your search term. And you can see which ones come from the Microsoft Store and which ones are specifically linked to Winget. If we install just VLC here, it'll install the Microsoft Store version. But if we want to install the one from Winget themselves rather than installing it through the Microsoft Store, we can see that the correct package ID for VLC is videolan.vlc. Now that we have the package ID, we can install the application using the install command. Copy the app's ID from the search results. Here, it's videolan.vlc. Now, type this command: Winget space install space --ID space videolan.vlc and press enter. Winget will download the app from its official source and install it automatically without requiring you to click through any pop-ups. And just like that, VLC Media Player is installed on your PC. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. If you want to completely remove an app from your system, Winget makes the process simple and efficient. Before uninstalling an application, we need to find its exact name as recognized by Winget. We do this using the list command. Type the following command: winget space list and press enter. You'll see a list of all installed applications. From this list, find the application you want to remove. You'll see its name and ID. The ID is important because some apps might have similar names. In this example, we'll uninstall Spotify using its package ID, spotify.spotify. Now that we know the app's exact name or package ID, we can proceed with the uninstallation. Type the following command: winget space uninstall space spotify.spotify. Once you press enter, Winget will begin removing the application from your system. Wait for the process to complete. It may take a few seconds or minutes depending on the app size. Now you know how to completely remove applications using Winget. This method ensures that no leftover files remain on your system. And that's it. Now you know how to utilize Winget, the Windows Package Manager, to manage all your applications with just a few simple commands. With Winget, you can save time, keep your system updated, and manage software effortlessly, all from the command line. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.